Hello guys, good morning, welcome to today's vlog. Oh my god, like guys, I woke up about an hour ago and I have literally been dragging myself to get dressed, to get ready to start filming. Like, the weather in Japan has been so depressing lately. Like, every day it's raining. If it's not rainy, it's cloudy and just all sorts of madness. So I'm really not in the mood. And if you're wondering how come it's Thursday, but I didn't say it's Thursday, but it's Thursday. And if you're wondering why the hell is Nate not at work today, oh my god, the heavens blessed Japan with holidays, because actually today and tomorrow is supposed to be, or was supposed to be, the opening ceremony for the Olympics 2020, and that is not happening anymore. So the days turned out to be holiday, which I am grateful for because I am so tired with this new job. It's insane. But anyway, today is just a casual day in the life vlog. I'll be taking you guys along with me through my day today. I actually have a lot of things, well, kind of a lot of things to get done. It's maybe 3 or 4 things, but they'll take a massive amount of time. So I wanted to take you guys along with me today and show you what I have up my sleeve to get done. So let's go into the office and see what my to-do list says, because whatever it says is what whatever it says is what we're doing today. All right, so come along. And guys, it's like this is like my second time doing a vlog. Like, oh my god, Adam is working too. There he is. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, so guys, like, this is my second time filming a vlog. I hope that it's okay. You know, I am trying to get used to lighting. I'm trying to get used to the whole vlogging thing and so on. So set you guys down. I need something to put you guys on. Alright, so let's see what we have up our sleeves for today. To-do lists for today. I have to do grocery shopping, which I honestly don't think we will be able to do today because it's raining, and you guys know we don't drive in Japan, we ride bicycles. So if it's raining, then we can't do that. I need to wash, I need to get some laundry done. We need to visit the internet place to sort out some payment that we needed to get done. Actually, they needed to withdraw some money from our bank account from when we just applied for the internet, and they have not touched that money yet, and we are wondering why. And you might be wondering, girl, you're Jamaican, if they don't take the money, then why are you stressing about it? But the thing is, this is Japan, and while I would not stress about it if we were in Jamaica, in Japan, if it's even 2 years later, they will harass you for that money. So we want to just clear the air on what is happening with that money. So we're actually going to meet our coordinator, so someone from our company. As I said in many videos, guys, like, if we have to do certain types of businesses or we have to communicate in Japanese, then our company has to send a coordinator to help us out. So we're going to meet with our coordinator at 1:30, and she's going to take us to the internet place, and then we can sort out that whole money. What else do I need to do? I need to edit 2 videos today because it is almost the end of June. Today is the 23rd of July. It's almost the end of July is what I should say. Today is the 23rd of July, and I have not edited any videos for August yet, and usually I edit 4 videos a month, so I haven't edited any. So you know a girl got work to do because there are no videos ready for August, and we don't play those type of games when it comes on to our content being published on the time when it should be published. So I have to edit 2 videos. I also have to film a video. I have to film a Japanese clothing haul because I've bought these clothes for at least a month now. It was last month when I got paid when I bought the clothes, and I have not. I have them sitting in my office closet to like try them on and do a haul for you guys, and that just has not happened because I've been in such a bad mood lately. And so yeah, I decided that on these 2 days off, I'm just going to get in the game and try to get the haul done. So I have to edit 2 videos, I have to film a video, and obviously I am filming this vlog today as well. And then as I said, we have to go to the internet place, and yeah, so those are like some of the things that I want to take you guys along with me for today. So I do hope you enjoy. But first things first, I already had breakfast. You guys would have seen it in the B-roll clips of this video. By the way guys, comment on my B-roll clipping, because I'm just like testing out this vlogging thing and getting B-roll shots. It's pretty intense. But we are going to head to the washing machine and get the laundry going before we actually do anything else inside of this house. Okay guys, so we got the laundry, Lord of mercy, my Jamaican boy, this proper English speaking thing, like I can't. Anyway, I got the laundry started, and now I am just waiting on my very slow computer to like start up so I can start editing the first video. I think I'm going to edit one of the shorter ones first, just because it is already 10 minutes to 12 p.m. and as I said, we have to meet our coordinator at 1:30 I think. So I want to at least get that video edited before we have to go on the road any at all. I still need to like plan our grocery for the week, so even though we may not go to the grocery store today, maybe we can go tomorrow. I still need to plan out my grocery list, plan the meals for the week, and try to get that sorted out so I know exactly what I'm going into the supermarket to pick up. Because Lord guys, if you are a planning person, like if you have to plan your grocery list like in advance and you don't just go to the supermarket and pick up stuff, comment below and let me know, because me, I'm a paper and pen girl. Like I have, let me just show you something, and after seeing this you guys might think I'm crazy, and trust me, if you call me crazy, I could not even like argue with y'all, because look at this guys, like these are all notebooks for different things. Like this is how much of a paper girl I am. Like I write everything in a books, you understand? I have books here for YouTube content ideas, so all my content ideas I write down in this book. I have Instagram growth strategy, so how to grow my Instagram and all of that stuff. By the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, please do. My handle is on the bottom of your screen somewhere right here at Mrs. Natea Web on Instagram. Do follow me, because when I'm not on YouTube, that is where I am sharing like most of my life and stuff. So yeah, follow me over there. I have YouTube video outlines, so for example, I outline each of my videos before I film them. So for example, this vlog, I did ask on my Instagram stories, like for the persons who follow me and also watch my videos on YouTube, I was asking what type of vlog watcher are you? Like, are you a long vlog person or a short vlog person? Personally, I'm a long vlog person, but majority of the votes on my Instagram came back that they prefer short vlogs, and I'm like, how the hell do I do a short vlog? Or how the hell do I break a day in the life video that is like 25 minutes long into 2 videos? Like that is weird to me. So I'm trying to kind of filter how I'm vlogging even this video. So I did write down an outline of the things that I want to show you guys in this vlog, just so that I'm not all over the place in the vlog. I have like a random fandom book. It says budget book just because we used to do our budget in this book, but I changed it and I created something different for our budgeting system. So this book is where I write down like the massive to-do list, the massive things that I need to buy for my job, which is personal branding and all of that stuff, and you know, just random things. And then based on that list, I will go into this diary, and this is my planner that I use, and I won't be able to link this guys because I bought it in Japan and it was just a random buy, so I won't be able to link it in the description box or anything, but I usually take like my massive, like things from my massive to-do list in this book, and then I'll write them down in that book. I'll choose things from the list that I want to get done, and then I would write them down in that book and then go from that book. And then I have a YouTube growth strategies book where I write down how to grow like my YouTube channel and so on. I also have more. So this one I plan my grocery in of late. Adam got me this just the other day, so I started planning my grocery because I already have so many planners. I did not need like 2 more 2020 planner, and obviously I won't be using them to plan in 2021 because that would just throw me off. So I'm using this one to plan grocery, like meals for the week and so on. This one I have not figured out what I want to use it to do yet. And then this one is my old like to-do list kind of book, so I still have things in there that I check from time to time. And guys, separate and apart from that, I have like a budgeting book, a meal ideas book, like all kinds of planning stuff. Like I'm just always writing. If you're a writing person, please. And then of course I have my YouTube like schedule, like you know the days when certain videos go live, what videos I should be editing and when, and so on and so forth. So yeah, I am a writerholic. Call it that. I'm a writerholic. But guys, like some of the merch that I think I'm going to come up with in the future is going to be centered around like planners and so on. So let me know if you guys would be interested in that. I am fully aware that not everyone is like a writer planner kind of person, but I am, so I do want to create products around that. So let me know if you guys would like that. Finally my computer is up and I'm heading into my editing software. So guys, this is a list of all the videos that I should be editing this month. So we have 4 videos here that is supposed to be coming up in August. We have how to survive as a new person in Japan, cultural differences in Japan, I guess Jamaica versus Japan kind of thing, and how to prepare to move to Japan is also coming in August, and elementary school expectation versus reality, because if you guys know, I am now working at elementary school. I used to work at junior high schools before, but now I'm working at elementary schools, and I had some expectations, and then when I started working there, the expectations were like up and down. So I created a video around that particular topic, so I wanted to share that with you guys. Alright, so I'm just going to do a little time lapse here while I edit my video. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog. Guys, I am currently talking to some of my college friends. Like, oh my god, it's been so long since we spoke like on a video chat. I am so excited. Alright guys, so few hours of working and talking with my friends, which oh my god, that was so nice to like talk to them after so long. Me and Adam, we heading to the internet place. We're going to meet with somebody from our company to start out our internet thingy that we have going on, because if they're not going to take the payment, like we need the money. All right, like there is no way money is just going to be sitting on in our accounts not being used. So that's where we're headed now. Adam,
just spending money, right?
Yeah, like
so I just know where money can just sit there, just take money.
Yeah,
saving.
I have a problem, and I am not afraid to admit that. Like Adam is saying, guys, that I am addicted to spending money, and that might be true a little.
Future look bright.
Maybe not, and that is why I work so hard, because like I love to shop, I love to buy things, and basically the things that I want are very expensive, so I gotta work my butt off. So yeah, basically I would just randomly find like 110 yen in my house, and immediately I would need to go to the dollar store to buy something. Like some of the times I don't even know or have a plan on what to buy, just know that I need to buy something with 110 yen. So just one item. So yeah, I love to buy things. I love to shop online. Just, yeah, shopping makes me happy. It's therapy. Some persons go to therapists and whatever. Me, I shop. Adam, whenever can run across the road? I can't believe if you take this step then. Think we can run? Adam does not want to break the rules in Japan today. Oh boy. Alright guys, so we'll meet up back with you when we are dealing with the business, just to show you guys on the mall. Alright. Guys, so we just came back in from off of the road, and I'll insert a little clip, or maybe you'd have seen it before this clip actually, but a whole lot of things got done in that little meeting, because as you could see, our coordinator was helping us like sort through some bills that we got. So all our bills of course come in Japanese. Some of them we know what they are, and you know, we can understand and so on, but some of them are more tedious, and like you need a Japanese person to look at it and explain to you what the hell is happening on these papers. And so that is what she was helping us sort out. She was sorting out the internet money payment, as I mentioned before, so we got that sorted out. But then we realized that we have some bills that we need to be paying. So usually like health insurance and like pension and stuff was withdrawn from our salary before, but now we're under a different system, so we have to manually pay. And like the money that we're seeing on these payment slips, they are the same. If we look at it, they are the same when it used to come out of our salary, but because they used to withdraw it from our salary, and whatever we got on our payslip was what the money that we have. And no, Adam is like sneaking. Like, you don't have to sneak.
You're making it obvious now. Wow.
You don't have to sneak.
Wow. Wow.
So because we weren't seeing the money when it was being withdrawn before, but now we're getting all of our money, and then we have to pay it, like to pay out $38,000 guys for health insurance for both of us. That's like to physically pay it out. To physically pay it out. What are you doing? Look at this writing, guys. Can anybody tell me what this is? What is this?
It's
Adam?
very clearly
what is this?
Internet money 30,000.
Internet money 30,000. Like Adam writes like a doctor. Like no one can understand his handwriting. Anyway, guys, so yeah, to just, you know, pay out $38,000 a month for health insurance for both of us, it is kind of, that gives me a little heart attack. But like when we check it out, like last year when we used to have it withdrawn from our salary, it's the same if we combine both of us. So I mean, yeah, we learned a whole lot of things, and I still haven't edited the first video yet, but right now we're going to sit down and do some budgeting. That is what we're going to do. So I'm just going to like insert a time lapse of us doing that, because of course you don't want to see us budgeting, especially I don't know how long this vlog is going to turn out. But guys, these are some of the things I wanted to put into a video, like the expectations of really coming to Japan and saving, because it is so expensive. Bills are so expensive here. Like I think you guys need to know so that you can make a conscious decision on whether or not you want to come to Japan, because money here goes away like poof. You have to know what you're doing. Huh? Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm just giving you guys a little sneak peek of our budget. So this section here is all of our utility bills. Alright, so it includes light, gas, water, phone bill, internet bill, and health insurance. Pension is not added to this yet. And what other bills do we have, honey?
Yeah, that's the bills.
These
phone
are
bill, phone.
Yeah, well, phone is a part of this, but I think pension should be added to this, but we applied to be exempted from paying pension, so we're waiting on that. But guys, just look, this is the total amount of money that we are going to spend on utilities alone. Like, it does not include groceries, it does not include our savings, it does not include our work commute, and it does not include our lifestyle like amount. I guess you guys can see a little bit of how we budget our stuff. But 61,893,000 yen, which is about maybe about 70,000 Jamaican dollars if we do the whole converting thing, or maybe even 80,000 Jamaican dollars. So you can actually convert this into Jamaican dollars, and maybe I'll do a conversion on the screen while you're watching this. But this is the amount of money that we are spending on utilities alone, just bills, not inclusive of groceries and everything. Or our rent. Well, I mean, our rent was already deducted from our salary before we got it, so the money that we are working with now. But guys,
yeah, the rent is an additional what, 70,000?
Yeah, our rent is like 75,000 yen. So just add this. The camera is not focusing. So yeah guys, if you add this amount of money plus our rent that we have to pay, that is already deducted from our salary, so we don't even have to go through the pain in seeing or in paying the amount of money. That is just expenses here in Japan, and that is close to like it's over $100,000.
Closer to 200 grand.
Yeah, it's closer to 200 grand.
All the bills.
Right, so that is what I'm talking about when I say like many people have it twisted when it comes on to like being in Japan and saving a whole bunch of money. Like, it's not possible unless you have a household like ours where we have 2 decent sized jobs and 2 incomes that we can pull this together. Can you imagine you coming over here working 250,000 yen per month and having to pay like $150,000 to $70,000 in bills alone? Like, it's ridiculous. So I want to definitely do a video where I break down that, and Adam will be joining me for that video. But yes guys, I think these are things that you all need to know, because trust me, it's a pain in the butt. Anyway, back to budgeting. Guys, this is a $10,000 note in Japan.
10,000 yen note.
Yes, a 10,000 yen note.
So,
Adam, please write like a human being.
Me will read them if you can't understand.
All the figures down on our form, then we start to separate the monies, and then we highlight them with a sticky note so we know exactly what is to pay what. So this here, as I said, our bills are like 61,000 yen something, so that is this, and then we just roll it up and put it down, so when we take it up we can actually see what we are supposed to be paying with it. Alright guys, so budgeting, yeah, we just completed the budget and now we are going to head on the road to grab dinner. We are not cooking tonight because obviously we spend all day like on the road and doing other stuff. I actually still have not completed editing none of the videos that I set out to edit today, but then we got other things done, so I'm going to finish up editing those videos tonight. But before that, it's about what time now? It's like 5 o'clock right now, so we're going to just run out on the road, pay the bills, and we're going to grab me a bicycle. Hallelujah, because as you guys know from previous vlogs that both of us did not have bicycle and we had to get Adam's one, and then so now we're going to buy my bicycle and then we're going to grab some form of fast food for dinner because we're not going to cook. And then when I come back, I will just like finish editing the videos. I have postponed the other video that I needed to film today. I'm going to film that tomorrow morning bright and early, and I'll also be filming a weekend in my life video. So that's that for that. So this is where I'm going to end this vlog for today. I do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below and hit the notification bell to be notified every time I post a video. Okay guys, until next time, see you in my next one. Bye.
So back to what I was saying. Could be us.